If you were a member of one of these awful gangs from, say, El Salvador, just marauding about New York City, you might be a little scared of Trump, and you would know you obviously couldn't apply to formally immigrate in the States or Canada. You'd be screened out, obviously. But now you know you can literally just walk across the border. No papers needed. Just take a bus from New York City up to the border. Just do it. And so they are. We don't know how many criminals are coming, but we know they are. This is on purpose. Do you recall this picture? I occasionally show this picture. It's George Soros meeting with Justin Trudeau. It wasn't just a photo op. See, last September, Justin Trudeau and George Soros' Open Societies lobby group signed an official contract. This is the government press release celebrating it. Soros will now help craft Canada's refugee policy. Not just the substance of it, but the PR of it too. Look at point 3 on this press release. Provide a vehicle that mobilizes citizens in direct support of refugees and encourages a broader political debate that is supportive of refugee protection. So Soros and Trudeau are teaming up to open up Canada's borders and then teaming up to condemn anyone who opposes those open borders. Just like Soros has spent tens of millions of dollars blasting through any legal or political opposition to Muslim migrants just marching across Europe. That is Europe. How long till that's Canada? That's an excerpt from my daily TV show, The Ezra Levant Show. Normally it's behind a paywall, but I thought you'd like this video, so we put it on YouTube. If you want to subscribe to watch the daily show every day, including always 2 interviews a day, and I read my hate mail, just click on this screen and become a premium member.